Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and maybe replace the front grille on Mercedes ML164. You might want to remove the front grille if you want to get access to the horns. The grille is held by two bolts and also two plastic clips that are in the middle right there where I'm trying to remove them. There are also two bolts on the rear side of the grille where we can't see them right now. We're going to remove them and then we can take out the grille. I'll show you where those bolts are. This bolt is for the front bumper. If you want to remove the front bumper, the bottom bolt down there, that's for the grille, and there is the other bolt for the grille, and that's for the front bumper. I'm going to be removing the front bumper as well, so I'm going to remove the top bolts as well, but you don't need to if you need to remove the grille and get access to the horn. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've removed the two bolts, now we can remove the grille. All we need to do is just pull it out, and that's the grille out. Now we have access to the two horns. The two horns are held by two bolts, which are right there, and also two electrical connectors. We remove those bolts and the electrical connectors, and we can take out the horn. Thank you for watching.